Most adults regret not learning about money sooner, but imagine if every teen mastered these essential money skills before turning 18. No debt traps, no paycheck to paycheck stress, just financial confidence for life. These 10 money skills will set up any teen for success, and most parents don't even teach them. Stay until the end for a simple challenge to make sure these skills actually stick. Skill 1. Understanding where money comes from. Many teens don't realize money isn't unlimited. It doesn't just appear from an ATM or credit card. It has to be earned. What to teach? Show them different ways money is made: salaries, businesses, investments. Have them track how much money flows into the household and what it's spent on. Teach the difference between active income, work, versus passive income, investments. Give a teen $20 and have them break it down. How much goes to taxes, savings, spending? Eye-opening moment guaranteed. Skill 2. How to read a paycheck and taxes. Teens assume their entire salary belongs to them until they see a paycheck full of deductions. What to teach? Explain paycheck deductions, taxes, Social Security, health insurance. Show how income tax works and why it's taken out. Teach about tax refunds and why filing taxes matters. Quick fix. Have them calculate how much of a $500 paycheck they actually keep after deductions. Skill 3. How to open and use a bank account. Not knowing how to use a bank account is a huge financial disadvantage. What to teach instead? How to open a checking and savings account. How to use a debit card, set up direct deposit, and track transactions. The importance of avoiding overdraft fees. Quick fix. Take them to the bank and have them deposit money in their own account. Hands-on learning is key. Skill 4. Smart spending and avoiding impulse buys. Spending without thinking leads to financial stress. The key is making intentional spending choices. What to teach? The difference between needs versus wants. The 24-hour rule. Wait a day before making non-essential purchases. How to compare prices and find the best deals. Quick fix. Before they buy anything over $50, have them research 3 different options. They'll start seeing the value of smart spending. Skill 5. The power of saving money early. Even small savings habits create huge results over time. What to teach? The power of compound interest, why money grows over time. How to set up automatic savings. The difference between short-term and long-term savings. Quick fix. Set up a challenge. Save $5 a week for a year. Watch how quickly it adds up. Skill 6. Understanding credit scores and how to build good credit. A credit score affects everything: buying a car, renting a home, even getting a job. What to teach? How credit scores are calculated. Why on-time payments and low credit usage matter. The risks of missing payments and high-interest debt. Quick fix. Have them check their credit score for free using an educational tool. Seeing it makes it real.
Skill 7. How to set financial goals. Without financial goals, money just disappears. What to teach? How to set short-term and long-term money goals. The power of breaking down big goals into smaller steps. How to track progress and stay motivated. Quick fix. Have them write down one money goal and create a step-by-step plan to reach it. Skill 8. How to negotiate and ask for more money. Most people don't realize salaries, pay raises, and even bills are negotiable. What to teach instead? How to ask for a raise or negotiate job pay. The importance of knowing their worth. How to negotiate prices on cars, rent, and even phone bills. Quick fix. Have them practice a simple negotiation script with you. Confidence grows with practice. Skill 9. The basics of investing and growing wealth. Money sitting in a bank won't grow much. Learning to invest is the key to wealth. What to teach? The basics of stocks, index funds, and real estate. The concept of risk versus reward. How starting early builds wealth over time. Quick fix. Help them invest $10 into an index fund and track how it grows. Even small exposure to investing builds confidence. Skill 10. Avoiding debt traps. One bad loan decision can take years to fix. Smart debt decisions are life-changing. What to teach instead? The dangers of payday loans and high-interest debt. How to avoid unnecessary student loans. Why paying off credit cards in full is key. Quick fix. Have them calculate how long it would take to pay off $1,000 in credit card debt with minimum payments. They'll never forget that lesson. The money challenge: make it stick. Now that you know these 10 money skills, it's time to put them into action. Challenge: pick one skill to focus on this week. Share this video with another parent or teen, because every teen deserves financial success. For more tips on raising money-smart teens, subscribe now and watch this video next.